Hi everyone, welcome to new season 4. It's been 4 years. It's too long, isn't it? I know I've been absent for a long time, but if you follow me closely, you know the reasons. Because of my husband's illness, I give a little break, but he's fine right now. It takes a little time to turn back, but I'm ready to make beautiful things with you now. For this year, we are gonna make the same things like blankets, beanies, shawls, something like I like to do mostly, and different things. You know, you can always ask tutorials. You can write comments or you can directly email me from my email address. I will put the link below, and you can reach me on my Instagram address or Facebook, Pinterest, and regularly I think I'm in everywhere. Maybe you can even see me in TikTok. I don't know how to use it, but I downloaded the app on my phone today. Maybe I could learn how to use it. And you can find me on Etsy too, since 2021. I haven't told you before, because first I like to add some patterns and I like to learn how to use it properly. But I know it now, so you can find my tutorials on my Etsy shop and also my website too. And if you want to support me, you can always join my channel. I will put all the links below, and I really miss you so much and thank you for your beautiful comments. I understand you missed me too. And since I haven't shared a video, I reached 300,000 subscribers, actually a little more than this, because I try to make this video at least for a month and I can make it now. And sorry for my voice, I have a flu, but I don't want to wait anymore, so I'm making this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't, please click the link somewhere here. And I hope we will share a beautiful season this year, and I'm gonna make some pet things. I know I'm telling this for all the year and I haven't made anything yet, because my cats don't like to wear or try these things, and I'm always making them so small or so big, and I don't want to share them with you with these forms. But this year I could use a mannequin cat. Maybe I can make cat beds or something like that. So don't stop to asking me, okay? Just ask me regularly, like, Sirin, you will make a cat thing or dog thing or something like that. And my cats sending their meows and hugs to you. I will tell you one more time. I miss you all so much and I'm so happy to be with you again. So, see you in a few days. Bye.